Okay, the other stock in focus, Oberoi Realty. The company had forayed into the central suburbs of Mumbai with the launch of its twin developments, Eternia and Enigma, at Mulund. In fact, Vikas Oberoi, the CMD, joining us today to talk to us more about the project and the company's outlook going ahead. Vikas, thanks for being with us. Just tell us a little bit more about this new project that has been launched.
Well, Oberoi Realty is for the first time venturing into the central suburbs. These are two projects of 9-acre land parcel each, and totally 4 buildings of about 50 stories plus, with 2 configurations of 3-bedroom hall each in one property, and 2 configurations of one being 3-bedroom and the other one being 4-bedroom, the other project.
Right. Well, by when will this be completed, and are the numbers trickled down to your books just in terms of a timeline?
So we'll be starting this project around March in terms of execution of work, and our contractors say that it will take about 48 months, and we'll do our best to finish it within that time. And unfortunately, we being in the silent period, I can't really talk much about numbers to you.
What kind of growth do you foresee for the company this year?
Well, we hope to do very well this year, because this is one year where we are launching Mulund, that's the central suburb project. We're also going to launch the Tata Steel project in Borivali. Our Worli project has come along very well. So all this put together, is good news for the company, and so I think this year should be a good year for the company.
What are your expectations as far as the budget is concerned? Any major developments? Any major expectations for the real estate pack? From whatever we are hearing from the finance minister or the prime minister, I think they are geared up to give a fabulous budget. The hopes are high. I don't want to get into specifics, but I guess it's going to be pro-productive budget. They'll help people produce more, and so all the policies, whether they are fiscal or whether they are approval related, they'll all be eased out, and this is our expectation, and I'm sure we'll not be disappointed at all. All right, Mr. Oberoi, fair enough. Thanks for joining us and getting us your thoughts and perspectives there. But mining baron Anil Agarwal is exploring the option to merge Cain India and Hindustan Zinc with flagship Vedanta Group firm Sesa Sterlite to create a global natural resources giant that would rival major players like Rio Tinto and BHP Billiton. Pranay is joining us.